In this video, you will learn how to convert Excel file into a PDF file. Currently, you can see here I have opened an Excel file and you can see here I have already converted into a PDF file. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Firstly, I will close this one. And you can see here I have already opened an Excel file. The first task is open an Excel file which you want to convert into PDF file. After doing that, go to this file menu, and in file menu you will find the option of export. Click on this export and you will find the option of create PDF. Click on this option. Now select the location where you want to save that particular file which will convert it into PDF. I will select desktop and you can rename that file. I will rename it as Tahir Mahmood. Now you can see here save as type, already PDF is selected, and here is the option of open file after publishing. If you want that after converting into PDF the file is automatically open, you can check this option. Secondly, here is the option for optimization. If you want standard size of PDF file, then you can select this one, and if you are interested to minimize the size of PDF, then you can select this option. I will select standard size. Now click on these options. You will find multiple options. It will ask you either you want to convert all pages into PDF or selected pages. I will select all. If you select this option, then it will ask you page range. I will select all. Now move forward. You will find the option of publish what. Either you want to publish either selection which the data you have selected, or the entire workbook, or active sheet which you have opened now, or the table. Secondly, if you have already selected the printed area and you don't want to convert that particular area into PDF, you can check this option, ignore print areas. If you move forward, you will find other option. For example, if you want to retain document property, you can check these options. And if you want that the converted PDF have friendly property for screen reading software, you can select these options. Another option is the PDF option, PDF A compliant. If you want to comply with ISO standard, you can check these options. After doing that, click on OK, and after that click on this publish and wait what will happen. Now you can see here the PDF is generated and the Excel sheet is successfully converted into PDF file. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.